In this quick video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase step by step. So the first step is to go to coinbase.com, then log in. Once you have logged in, go to the left side here and click My Assets. Scroll down and then choose what asset you're going to withdraw. So for example, we're going to withdraw USDT. Click here and then on the right side here, click Sell. Then, if you haven't added your payment method yet, you can add your payment method. Just click here, and then fill up all this information. So you will gonna need to type down your card number, your expiration date, your CVC, and then your postal code. Then click Add Card. Once you have added your card, you can now sell or withdraw your assets or your money from Coinbase. If you have any questions about how to withdraw money from Coinbase, leave a comment below.